question. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
Fu. Fu. You can find fu in hotline here. Let's learn 3 words with fu. Fuku. Fuku. Fuku is clothes. Repeat after me. Fuku. 服を着る。Put on clothes. ふ。降る。降る。降る is to fall rain or snow. Repeat after me. 降る。雨が降る。It rains. 雪が降る。It snows. ふ。ふん or ぷん。ふん is minute. Repeat after me. ふん。ぷん。3分待つ。Wait for 3 minutes.
Let's write hiragana.
ふ。やったー。ふ。
Let's review the lesson. Please prepare pencil and paper.
Can you read this? The answer is ふ。Then can you read this? The answer is 2つ。2つ is 2.
Now it's time to write them down.
Can you write this?
Feel free to pause the video while you are writing down.
The answer is ふ。Can you write this? The answer is 服。服 is clothes.今日のガチャポンは冬。冬 Winter.
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.